Londi London. Guys, 2 to 3 days back ngengayenza video lapho ngithi mina uLondi London makayehle kulama podcast ngoba amuyehlisa isithunzi. Akakapheli neviki already usisi wenu seka involved futhi kwesinye iskandal esintsha sha. Sanibonani Dumelang. I hope ukuthi ni right, I hope ukuthi niphilile. Guys, yini asingene straight endabeni. So kunosisi la igama lakhe bathi uDoromongi. Hayi ke uDoromongi uthi phela uLondi London umsendela ama messages laphayana uyamsabisa. Sathi hayibo wena Doromongi. Uthini na? Ukusabisa makwenze njani? Ene futhi sifuna nobufakazi. Hayi uDoromongi wathi ngiphethe ubufakazi. Wakhipha i-screenshot. Right, ukubonisa ukuthi yena wathola imessage esuka kubani uLondi London amsabisa. Asifundeni nasi i-screenshot. Ehena. Nayi number laphayana phezulu. I-message ithi, "Hi girl, can you stop talking about me on TikTok lives? We are not in the same league. If you have a problem with me, we can meet in person and sort it out like grown women." And then from there loyo muntu athi, "It's Londi." And then uDoromongi responded ngokuthi, "Lol, I was waiting." Doromongi, what do you mean you were waiting, girl? Uyenzeni? Kusho ukuthi nawe ikhona into oyenzile because you were waiting. Huh? Hayi ke. uLondi lo bhale la allegedly. Wathi, "I hope we don't bump into each other for your sake, Ntombi." Hayi uDoromongi athi, "We can meet. No need to wait to bump into anyone. I'm active." And then uLondi abhala ukuthi, "Let me block you." Well, okay, fine. It's a screenshot. Lesi uDoromongi asinikeze sona. Kodwa ke akusubufakazi enough ukuthi okwangempela uLondi London obhalelana. Right. So the reason why kuba na this back and forth between uLondi and Doromongi is because uDoromongi ulogo uyenza ama lives, right? Laphayana ku TikTok ukhuluma ngoLondi London. Ene mina ngokubuka kwami, ukubuka nje from a distance, kubonakala engathi lo Doromongi lo uwazana no konjobani uthi nawo Mloyisani because of mawumlalela kahle makakhuluma kulama lives ukhuluma engathi umuntu odefender uDinewo ukhuluma the way uLondi London. Okay fine, ajaje uDinewo ngakhona azenza ngcono ngoDinewo kodwa naye nje uhlulekile kulama relationship ene futhi nje amadoda kuningi nje kuningi kukhulunywa ngamadoda laphayana, right? So kubukeka engathi lo Doromongi wazana no lentuzana ubani lo uDinewo Mloyisane. So now ulentuzana lendaba ngoba vele seyigcwele yonke le ndawo lena and abantu vele basakwatele uLondi ngale ndaba le ayishilo ngoDinewo Mloyisane. So nje abantu hayi babhizi bayamthuka. Hayi imanagement yakhe yakhetha ukuthi ikhiphe istatement, right? So bakhiphe istatement, istatement sakhona side kodwa ngeke ngisifunde sonke ene lapha nalaphayana ngizovetana nje ngisebenzise isiZulu so that umphathi weplatform angangizwa, right? Ngingabi nenkinga nami. So the official statement reads, "We have become aware of a message circulating online claiming that our client Londi London has sent umlayezo osabisayo Usisi Loyana. We would like to state clearly that these claims are false. Londi has not sent any imlayezo esabisayo to any individual. Furthermore, she does not communicate what the individual referenced in these claims and does not have their contact details. The phone number currently being circulated online is not associated with Londi London. We are in the process of investigating the origin of this number. It is also important to note that the ownership of the number can be independently verified through publicly available tools such as a Truecaller, which confirm that it is not linked to our client." Yeah, hayi iyachubeka nani nizosifundela lapho ngoba nasi ngisifakile i-statement sakhona, right? So hey yabona ke into engayisho mina ukuthi one thing about ilentuzana i-media iyakhona ukukwakha. It can build you. Yazi ikubuilde ube umuntu yazini ola empilweni. The same media futhi ingakhona ukuthi iphinde futhi ikubhidlize to the ground nje yazini ikuthathe ikubeke phansi because what do you mean uLondi London khona manje abantu nje abasamfili abasamboni ngalutho ngenxa nje yokuthi nje uye wahamba wayokhuluma 1 and 2 and 3. Kuningi ngisasho namanje ngithi ayisowisho ukuthi uLondi engathi angayibona le video Ngisasho namanje ngithi siswami umuhle usebenze kanzima ukuba lo muntu lo uye namhlanje. Like you are a successful business woman, you've done so well for yourself, and kuyomela ukuthi uzame ukuthi uvikele yonke into wayisebenzela kanzima. uLondi wasebenza kanzima waze waphakama waba yilo muntu esimbonayo namhlanje kungena ama-podcast. Lama-podcast wakhona lawa awamanje nje sisi ayakumoshela into le uyisebenzele kanzima, because you are a brand mama, you are a brand. So nje kuyomela ukuthi uzivikele more than any other thing. Guys, if it is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to hit that notification bell, and of course give this video a thumbs up, guys. Just like the video, man. Just like it, just tweet, and that's it, right? And of course you can go into the comment section. What are your thoughts about this? Are you agreeing with me? Mangithi uLondi London makayehle kule ndaba zama podcast, or rather if azokwenza i-podcast makazenzele yena i-podcast lapho maybe akhulume ngama business, how to become a business successful woman. I think that can do. That can actually do. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll be back